If you own a Raspberry Pi, you absolutely need this software. This is Accidentals Happen, and welcome to another bite-sized tutorial. In today's video, we're talking about the Raspberry Pi Imager. You could take the time to go to raspberrypi.org and download the operating system, and then using the Etcher tool to flash the operating system to the microSD or USB, you can save yourself some time. Go to raspberrypi.org/software and download the Raspberry Pi Imager. It's available for Windows, Mac OS, Ubuntu, and you can even install it on your Raspberry Pi using a terminal command. Not only can you format your microSD right from the Raspberry Pi Imager, you can select tons of different operating systems anytime that you like. And if you're into retro gaming, the Imager makes it super easy to install RetroPie and Recalbox. Make sure you click subscribe for more Raspberry Pi videos. Let's go ahead and download the installer for your operating system. Run the installer once it's done downloading. Select yes to any UAC, install, and it's going to begin to install the Raspberry Pi Imager. If you're ready to get started, go ahead and click finish right from here and it'll run the Raspberry Pi Imager, and we need to format our microSD or USB storage. In the next video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that in 2 different ways. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. Thanks so much for watching, and if you're wondering what to watch next, check out one of these videos.